Welcome back to Aqual, and today I'm going to review the Oppo Find N. It was launched yesterday, 15 December 2021, and I'm going to give you the full details about this smartphone. So let's begin with the review. The phone comes with a 7.1-inch touchscreen display. This is the primary display with a resolution of 1792 by 1920 pixels and a pixel density of 370 pixels per inch. It is PPI. And it also features a 5.49-inch touchscreen ASH second display with a resolution of 988 by 1972 pixels at a pixel density of 402 ppi of pixels per inch and an aspect ratio of 18:9. The Oppo Find N is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. It comes with the 8 GB of RAM. The Oppo Find N runs the Android 11. It is powered by the 4000 mAh battery capacity. This phone supports the Super VOOC fast charging. And as far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo Find N on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture, 16 megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture, and a 13 megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 32 megapixel sensor with an f/2.4 apertures. The Oppo Find N runs ColorOS 12, is based on the Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Oppo Find N measures 132.6 by 73 by 15.9 millimeters height, width, thickness respectively, and weighs 275 grams. It was launched in black, purple, and white colors. Connectivity options on the Oppo Find N includes Wi-Fi 802.11, A by B by G by N by C by AX, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include the accelerometers, ambient light sensors, compass or magnetometers, proximity sensors, gyroscope, and fingerprint sensors. If you want more tech videos, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button, because if you turn on the notification button, you all will get notified if we send a new video. That's all. My name is Johns. This is the Tech Wall signing off.